Have you ever wondered how Burger King achieves its signature flame-grilled taste? Today, we're diving deep into the origins, methods, and science behind this iconic flavor. Burger King's flame-grilled method involves cooking beef patties over an open flame, which infuses the meat with a distinct smoky flavor. This process not only ensures even cooking but also adds depth to each patty. The flame-grilled taste is significantly influenced by the quality of beef used. Burger King uses 100% beef patties with no fillers or preservatives, which allows for better absorption and retention of smoky flavors during grilling. Despite popular belief, the flame-grilled process does not always involve visible flames. Instead, a controlled open-flame broiler system is used to maintain consistent temperatures and flavor infusion. This unique grilling method has evolved over the years. In recent tests, Burger King experimented with flame-grilled chicken sandwiches in test markets, showcasing its versatility beyond just beef patties. The flame grilling technique has become a significant part of Burger King's brand identity. It not only enhances the taste but also creates a unique dining experience that appeals to burger enthusiasts worldwide. In conclusion, the flame-grilled process is more than just cooking, it's an art that combines science with culinary expertise. This method continues to be a key factor in Burger King's success and popularity. So there you have it, the flame-grilled process is much more than meets the eye. What aspect of this technique surprised you most? Let me know in the comments.